Today, Jin Song and Jenny started new life. So we hope they make a health, house, and a happy family. So everybody enjoy time. Enjoy yourself at home. Thank you very much. And then, in Philippines, guests and family, you don't worry about that. Generally, came to Korea, our family take care of her. Don't worry.
감사합니다. 고맙습니다.
Can I call Mr. Galantines to have a message for the newlywed?
Kuya? Kuya, ka muna. Nakatali.
First of all, thank you so much for being with us in this happy moment of the wedding of Ken and Vergara. To the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Jinshan and Jeannie Kang, I hope, Mr. Kang,
Yung pinapakita ni Jay.
you love Jeannie not only till the end of your life, but life after death. We give Jeannie in your good hands.
Matutunan niya kayo.
From the family
Matutunan niya rin
of
pa yun. Siguro. Hindi naman siguro mahirap.
family. I
Siguro
hope
mahirap.
you love Jeannie as you love him very
Gini
much.
talaga.
We hope
Baby.
that you take care of her as you take her, and we love her very much. I am the aunt of Jeannie from Cebu. We came her just to attend this occasion. To the friends of Vergara, I hope you enjoy this evening. With the relatives, from the Talaog family, from the innermost chamber of our hearts, thank you and be glad with us always. Good evening.
Sige na, mag-message ka na. Best friend since ano?
Wala akong handa.
Sige na.
Thank you, Mrs.